In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from AliExpress to Wix. First, make sure your Wix dashboard is all set with Wix stores properly installed. Having Wix stores gives you the essential product catalog, and this is the foundation we need to successfully bring in products from AliExpress. Without this setup, importing won't be possible, so double-check you've got that sorted. Once you've confirmed that Wix stores is in place, it's time to head over to the Wix app market. This is where you'll find the tools we need for an efficient importing process. In the search bar of the app market, type in Importify. When you see it pop up, specifically look for Importify, Easy Dropshipping. This is the app that will help us seamlessly bring products from AliExpress into your Wix store. Click on Add to Site to integrate it into your Wix platform. Now, with Importify added, we're moving on to an essential step, installing the Importify Chrome extension. Using Google Chrome is crucial here, as the extension facilitates product scraping and enables the Add button functionality on AliExpress. Simply open the Chrome Web Store, type in Importify, and add the extension to your browser. Once installed, this extension becomes your go-to tool for selecting products directly from AliExpress to add to your store. Remember, the reason we use the Chrome extension is to simplify the import process, making it a breeze to add products without having to navigate away from AliExpress. At this stage, you should be all set with a fully operational extension ready to bring products over. Open AliExpress in Chrome. Browse through the categories until you find products you want to add to your store. Thanks to the Importify extension, you'll notice an Add button on each product page. This is where the real magic happens. Clicking the Add button will instantly start the import process, effectively scraping all necessary product details including images, descriptions, and prices. Once you've selected the products with the Add button, they'll be imported into your Importify dashboard. Here, you can review and make any necessary modifications to product details. Customizing descriptions or adjusting pricing strategies to fit your audience can be done quickly at this point. When you're satisfied with everything, hit that final import button, sending the products directly to your Wix store's product catalog. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your first batch of products from AliExpress to your Wix store. With these steps, you're now equipped to expand your online store's offerings easily. Keep experimenting with different products and finding the right mix for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.